George, where are you going with her? Huh?
Papa, she's my wife.
Leave her alone.
Papa. No.
I say leave her alone.
You heard your father, leave her alone.
Come with us.
Papa, no.
Udo, are you going to say no to Papa because of this girl? Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Let us go. Udoji, where are you going? Udoji. Udoji, please don't leave me. Udoji. Udoji, please come back. You can't leave me here all alone. In the middle of nowhere. Udoji. Hey, I know.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Hey, what was that? I had a bad dream. You left me for your family. I was calling you, but you refused to come back. You didn't even turn back.
It was just a dream.
Please don't leave me.
See, listen, what I feel for you is so strong. It's a bond that nobody can break. It's a bond that nobody can break. I will never leave you, I promise. Let's go inside.
Nani too. You're here. I don't have a choice. Wasn't your man name?
You do. You do have a choice, my dear. Why not decide to hand over everything to God? Hand over everything to the hands of God. Eh? I think that's the wisest thing to do.
I cannot help it. Eh? I am human, you know. I have blood running in my veins.
I know you have blood running in your veins, but you must have learned from your age that worries and anxieties can never solve any problem. Rather, it will make the matter worse.
You're right. I read what you said. It's time for you to take your medicine.
Yes, that is why I came in the first place. And I made you thinking hard on yourself.
I'm up one more.
I know.
It's not intentional. Let me get your medicine.
Thank you, dear.
Is it that Ekene has vowed not to send money for Papa's treatment again?
We don't have to wait for him. Okay? His excuses are rather clumsy these days.
Excuses indeed. Have you not noticed that it was since he got married that he started being stingy?
What are you trying to say?
Notice, Iberia. What I'm trying to say is that these past 3 years are very different from the years I've known Ekene. He's so stingy, and there's no explanation to it. It is Azuka. Azuka is the reason Ekene has started being stingy.
His responsibilities may have increased.
What responsibilities? What responsibilities, I ask? Ojinwa? Onalono? Mba? So what is it?
Let us not accuse anybody unnecessarily, okay?
Don't say it because can't be that careful. Mamandeo, well done.
I hope you have taken your drugs.
That is.
Okay.
The thing is not heavy now.
I know, Papa, I can do that.
Why this good attitude?
Nani,
Is it her fault?
leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want trouble. Ogenedu, you're always defending. Do you want me to leave this place for you?
No, don't leave.
Nani, because leave all this attitude matter.
Too uncompromising.
I'm a Siabapu.
Don't, please.
Didi Kamai, Gustav is the best. Didi Kamai, Gustav is the best.
No, what is it? Again, what is it?
Mama is no longer happy with me.
Oh, I have told you to ignore her.
Is it my fault that we don't...
No, listen. In this marriage, what matters most is you and I. I am happy, I am fulfilled that you are my wife. The love we share together is the best gift any husband and wife can get from God. So, my mother, my father, my brother, they are important, but they don't decide this union. I hate to see you unhappy. I hate to see you bothered.
Okay, you know that I wouldn't bother if what I feel is not true. I see the way they take you, and the love between us can be stronger if only they take me the way they take you.
See, if they don't take you the way you take them, ignore them.
In my next life, I'll still accept your proposal.
And in my next life, you will still be my wife. You are an angel God sent to me. You're welcome.
Thank you, my brother.
How is our new wife?
Our new wife is doing very well. She's okay. And tell me, how is our old wife doing?
She's preparing some delicious meal and back over at the kitchen.
Are you serious? Hi, man. Always cooking.
Very delicious.
More like her. Hi, Udo, see, you are very, very lucky to have that woman as a wife. God really blessed you.
I know.
Hi.
I am blessed.
A lot of men out there, they want to be as lucky as you are, but you don't know. Yes, Udo. By the way, Mama called me that she wants to see both of us. I hope all is well. Why she called?
Mama called you?
Yes, so she called. That's why I came.
She never told me anything about it. She didn't tell me there is a problem. And she never told me she called you.
Not that, I wouldn't have been here now. I never had plans of coming home this weekend. That's why I came.
I thought you just came to visit like you usually do.
No.
Mama is inside. Go and ask her. Find out. While I finish, I want to sharpen this machete very well.
No problem. Hi, you don't know.
Only is, you know.
I called both of you for this meeting to discuss our family problem.
Mama, what family problem are you talking about?
Yes, what family problem?
Yes.
Look at your brother. This is his 10th year of marriage and he has nothing to show for it. Onabozigiwa, your 3rd year of marriage and I have not received any news from Onitsha. Imagine what problem?
Mama, are we deliberately refusing to give birth to children? Are we? Is it not God that gives the fruit of the womb?
Do you realize that your father is surviving on drugs? Oh, you want him to go to his grave without seeing his grandchildren?
Mama, why are you carrying on as if we have the power to give birth to children and we decided not to?
I wonder.
Mama, are we God that gives fruit of the womb?
Nah. You will do your own bit. Then God will do his own.
Mama, we have played our own part by getting married. Please, allow God to play his own part.
Simple.
It's a singing.
Simple.
Listen, no, not simple. Getting married is one part of it. Finding a solution to the problem is the other part of it. Look, it is time for us to do something. We can't just sit back and fold our arms. It is time to look for people that will show us the native or traditional way of fighting barrenness. Yes, that is what we need to do.
Mama, I have said this before and I will say it again. I will not go to any native doctor in search of the fruit of the womb. I will not do that. At God's appointed time, he will give me and my brother our own kids. I am done with this meeting.
Yes, Mama, and I stand with my brother. We are done with the meeting. Wow.
Two barren families. The most painful thing Blanca follow. He followed his brother to go and marry a barren woman. Now he's following the brother to go out. Chai.
Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things.
Is the food ready?
Yes, the food is ready.
Yes, I need to eat. Give me some food.
What did she say?
What? It's not important.
It's because of our childlessness, right?
I just told you it's not important. Okay? Just get me some food.
Why won't you tell me what Mama said? I know it's because of our childlessness. That's why she called.
Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences.
I'm so whining with useless women. Kind of rubbish is that?
I don't like the way they are stressing these children. I don't like it at all.
If you're comfortable going to your grave without seeing your grandchildren, I am not.
I'm not bothered, and you shouldn't be bothered. Let these children and their wives be. After all, when I married you, you stayed for 5 good years before you gave me my first child. I don't worry you. Did I disturb you? Why are you disturbing these children as if it is in their house to make babies? Why are you disturbing them?
You won't understand.
I don't want to understand anything. I don't want to understand anything. And let today be the very last day you treat these children in this manner in this house. Do I make myself clear?
This time is the best. Didi Kamari, whose time is the best? Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal.
What in heaven's name are you doing? Eh? Why are you doing this to yourself?
I'm pouring out my heart to God. Maybe He will hear me and answer my prayers.
Listen, you have no reason whatsoever to cry in this marriage. Even at the end of the day, we don't have a child. I have nothing to regret. You still remain the best thing that has ever happened to me.
God gives everyone everything. He gave me the best husband, but he refused to bless me with the fruit of the womb to make my joy complete.
See, at God's appointed time, we'll still have our own children. We're still young, we still have a lot of time. We can still have our own children. Please, stop crying.
I want my own child.
Hey, Mama, please.
I want my own child.
Please.
Something is wrong with your father. We need to get him to the hospital. Something is wrong with him.
What is wrong with him?
I don't know, but he's not feeling well. It's very serious.
Oh, okay, let me go and find the means of transport.
Please, Sharon, because he's not moving. He's just still. Hurry up, please.
Miss Aldoji, I summoned it here so we can get certain permission so we can take your father's body to the mortuary.
Hey!
Well, Mr. Dodgy, there is really no cause for alarm. We should be praying to God to give us such lengthy ages. Don't you agree?
Doctor, you don't understand. Eh? See, the problem is hi, Doctor, where did we keep the money for the burial? Yeah.
For that, don't worry, God will provide. Trust me. God will provide.
Hey.
You people allowed your father to die without giving him grandchildren. Odema, it is well.
Mama, I don't know why you're drawing us back. If there are important things you want us to discuss about Papa's burial, fine, let us discuss them, not this thing you're talking about.
Simple. Because we don't need anybody drawing us back.
This one I'm talking about is the one that concerns me. Oh, you're talking of how to bury your father. What can you do? You want to talk about renovating the house and painting it. What's the point when I know that both of you are broke? You can't do it. Is it your father? He never went to church. So any way you want to bury him, bury him. But I want to make you understand something. If I die without seeing my grandchildren, I will haunt you for life.
Udo, see, I am tired of all the time sitting there and listening to all this talk. I am tired, okay? I think I'm out of here.
Mama was right.
About what?
He said she has told us what is important to her. So, she's right about that. Now, what is important to us is discussing about Papa's burial. And I don't know why we should even sit down and discuss it with her. It's left for the men to discuss. So let us go to my room and discuss.
Now you are talking. Discuss. Now you are talking.
We'll see you later.
Let's discuss.
Hey! Ndị na-atụtụ n'ụwa naira dere na-agba onwe fa men. Men mbọ ben.
Udo. See, there is no need selling the land or trying to borrow money for this burial. I don't think there is need for all these things. Let us bury Papa anyhow. We'll buy a casket, we invite a priest, he pray for him, we'll bury him. Simple. No need trying to renovate the house and making it an elaborate ceremony. No. Whatever we have, we'll give it to the people present, even if it's rice, mineral, water, whatever. Let's just do this anyhow and go and sleep. What do you think?
I think you're right. And the most important thing is we bury Papa.
Exactly.
That's the most important thing.
Which one is? Oh no, it's too much now.
Come in.
Azuka, tomorrow is our father-in-law's burial. Our husbands have gone to the market to buy the important things we need. Why don't you join me so that we'll go and fetch some firewood? Eh?
Yoma, see, I'm reading. I'm very, very busy. I'm very busy.
Azuka, this is not an busy issue. It is not. What are you doing? You are reading. How busy can you be? Eh? We have a lot of things to do, Biko.
Hey! Hey! People should come and hear me. Oh. See, Ihoma, you see this village I just returned. Please, Biko, I want to just avoid me. You see this burial I just came back for? Biko, just avoid me. See, it's not this you're bossing around because you're the first wife. If you near me, Ihoma, please, just leave me alone. Please, like I told you, I've been very busy. Very, very busy. Biko.
People can be lazy. That's it, uncle. Oh.
Who did you call lazy now?
It's not again.
Who did you call lazy? No, who did you call lazy?
Hey, Azuka, I thought you were busy. Eh? So you have the time to follow me to quarrel, but you won't have the time to follow me to go and fetch firewood, okay?
Hey, Ihama, fine, I'm lazy. But let me tell you, you are a pretender. In fact, you're a witch.
At least I'm better than you. Eh? I am better than you. I'm not lazy. I am very, very useful in this compound. I'm always doing one thing or the other. But you, only God knows what you are. Lazy babu.
Mua!
Yes.
Ihama, your mother lazy. Your grandmother lazy. What's your great grandmother lazy?
Azuka, do not insult my mother. Did you hear me? Do not insult my mother at all.
Ihama, if I insult your mother, what will you do?
Don't insult my mother.
Let me tell you, I've been looking for this opportunity to disgrace you.
To disgrace you?
I will eat you.
Hey, shut up, both of you. What is going on here? Look at two of you. You were both brought into this house to produce children. And when I couldn't produce, yet you keep making noise and disturbing my life. If you don't shut up, I'll pour hot on both of you. Mama, one how? One Azuka. We are not made.
Don't mama me. I don't want to hear anybody.
Very good.
What kind of rubbish is this? If you don't take your time, I will send both of you out of this compound. That cannot produce anything. When you face in the Afta.
Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Wazico will put into trouble. Wazico will put into temptation. Wazico will make you put hands on evil things. Wazico will put into trouble. Wazico will put into temptation. Wazico will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best.
Now that my husband has been successfully buried, Ekene and his wife, Azuka, will be going back to Onitsha, while Udoji and the wife will stay back here with me. Okay? Mana, before everybody scatters, there's something I want us to talk about. Anyabi Feb Udo, peace. Udoka. You see, both of you, you're the only thing that I have in this world. And so we need peace. Marriage is good, very good. But we should not allow it to put us into trouble. I want all this bitterness and anger to be buried. Just like we buried your father. He was a successful burial. This one too will be successful.
Mama, thank you very much. We have heard you. Yes, we have buried Papa. But it's a good thing that even in death, Papa has succeeded in also bringing us together again. We'll have peace. I will talk to my wife. I know that Ekene will also talk to his wife. And then we will have lasting peace.
It is peace we want, and it has come to stay. It is not going anywhere. As for me, nobody will say that Ihoma has done this or done that. Everybody knows I'm a peace-loving wife. I've been married into this family for over 10 years. Up until 3 years ago that our co-wife came in. But nobody has said anything about me. So this peace will stay.
Ihoma. What's that supposed to mean? What just came out of your mouth now?
Azuka, I didn't mention your name. What
was the meaning of that thing? Now they're talking about peace. I don't know if I'm the one bringing war in this house. Stop it! Just keep quiet.
Azuka! It's okay.
Mama.
This meeting is not for fighting as usual. This is for peace.
But you heard her. You heard her, you did not say anything. You heard her. Mama, sorry I'm disrespecting you. But you were here, she was talking about me bringing war indirectly. She was insulting me indirectly now.
Azuka. Ihoma never said so.
She said it.
Did I say anything? Did I call her name? Okay.
She's trying to accuse me and I don't like it. Right in your presence, I don't like it. Will you shut up? No respect for anybody. Meeting. You can hold the meeting now. Can you
Mama,
meeting. Mama, sit down, Have you seen what it cost? Azuka, have you seen what it cost?
Please don't talk to me. Talk to your wife. Let her close her dirty mouth. Just warn her.
Azuka, I've been keeping quiet since so. I've been keeping quiet I've been keeping quiet. The next time you open that your dirty mouth to insult me, if you didn't equal me.
And if I insult you, what will you do? What will you do?
Hey!
Azuka!
Hey!
Don't touch me! Now what's all this?
Don't touch me! You are here, she's insulting me, not saying anything. Don't touch me!
Azuka, your mouth you can run, Sophia. I'm warning you. I'm not your mate. Okay. Stop insulting me. Stop looking for my trouble.
Okay.
I'm not going to get it.
Hey! I am ready for you!
Azuka! Can't you for one day keep quiet and shut up?
Okay, have my cow. Have my cow.
Listen, calm down.
Calm down, Kenny.
We have just finished with the burial. You want people to gather?
Did I call her name? Did I mention her name? Oh, we can't say Afta. Did I mention her name? She just wants to tell everybody that she knows how to talk. Happen, leave me alone this morning,
Let it be. Let it be. Okay? Ihoma.
When you see something, you won't say anything.
Ihoma, please, just...
Azuka! Must you always quarrel all the time with Ihoma? Must you?
You should be ashamed of yourself. She stood up trying to make everybody believe that I am the cause of the quarrels in this house. Oh, okay. I should sit down and watch her and not say anything. Abi? Other men out there will come out, at least defend their wives' rights. But you, will I call you a husband or what, Bikono? Ekene, Ngwanu, clap for yourself. Man of the year, shameless husband.
Very sorry about what happened out there.
I won't say anything again. What is there to say? When those women will not let me talk. So Wadiro, you people, you will see what will happen. I will just sit here and be looking at you people.
I don't understand what is wrong with those women. We are trying to provide a peaceful environment, but they will keep scattering everything with their war of words.
Were you not the ones that went and married them? A force alone, a force.
Mama, have we committed any crime? Being responsible men by getting married.
When you marry irresponsible people, you also become irresponsible. Look, there are a lot of decent young girls in this village. You left them and went and brought in those things.
Mama, you know that Ioma is not irresponsible. She is a virtuous woman.
She's a virtuous woman. Beg, get out of here. See, look. Now, Liam, virtuous woman.
Honey?
Yes.
Please don't be angry. I just want to find out when we are leaving. Because we're done with the burial. Me, I want to go back to Onitsha. I want to go back.
Sweetheart, we're going to stay here till Sunday, okay? After the Thanksgiving service on Sunday, then you can start talking about going back to Onitsha. For now, we're staying here till Sunday. Remember, we just finished burying my father, our father. So, why all this?
Honey, I don't want to hear that one, please. Sorry, I'm being rude. I don't like it. But I am tired of the quarrels in this house. If you want me to come back to this village, honey, go and build your own house. You hear me? Go and build your own house.
Sweetheart, this is my late father's house and nobody's bossing out here.
Honey, please. I will not come back to this village again until you build your own house. I will not stay under the same roof with your brother's wife and your mother. No, I will not do that. I am tired of this cooking together, staying together, talking together, gisting together. I mean, that's the reason for these quarrels, these morning and evening quarrels. That's the reason. Honey, I will not take it. I will not take it. I will not take it.
We're staying here till Sunday. Good night.
Ikabulam, I'm tired. I am tired.
We can't continue like this. We can't.
I am ever ready for peace in this house, day or night. I am not the problem.
We all have to work together to achieve this peace because we need it. Who knows? It might be the reason behind our problem.
What problem?
You're asking me what problem? We have been married for 10 years and no child to show for it. My brother's marriage was 3 years last month. No sign of pregnancy anywhere. And you think it's not a problem?
God is the one that gives the fruit of the womb. In His time, He will bless us with children. I believe in His time. And at that time, everything is beautiful.
Listen, we have our roles to play in making this house peaceful and conducive for God to come and give His blessings.
Why, Yoma? Morning, no?
Good morning, sir.
Nah. Is there any problem?
There's no water in the tank.
Huh? So fast?
Udo, that's what it should be now. What do you expect? See, we just finished the burial. Huh? You know what? Let's make an arrangement and call a water tanker to come and refill the tank.
Ekenedim, Bikon, I was the one that swept the entire compound.
You tried.
If you can help me tell your wife to come and help get some water from the stream so I can cook for the house. Ogadikwana might to be okay.
Oh, Nemo. Apple now.
Udo, easy now. So again about wine. Come, let me wake my wife up to get some water for her.
Azuka, you are here still sleeping. While your co-wife is out there doing all the house chores. Huh?
What is it now? What is it? Huh?
Well, Ihuoma said you should go down to the stream and get some water for her. She needs to cook, and there is no more water in the tank.
Please, can you repeat what you just said? I did not hear you well. What did you say?
Baby, go and fetch some water from the stream for Ihuoma. She wants to...
Oh, keep quiet! Will you keep quiet? You're a useless egot. You're a madman.
Azuka! Where is all this abusive word coming from?
Keep quiet! So, you brought Azuka to this village to come and fetch water for who? If your mama wants to fetch water, if she wants water, let her go and fetch water for herself now. Wait. She sent you as what? For what? Am I a house girl? Eh?
Sweetheart, she has been the one doing all the house.
Keep quiet! He goes, shameless he goes. Let me go and know what she's talking about. What rubbish! Let me just, I want to understand what she means by that. Eh? So she will send me message as her baby loss. Idiot!
Chai! Ooh, ordinary go and fetch water. Hey!
What gave you the right to come and send my husband to come and wake me from my beautiful sleep?
Yeah.
To come and fetch water for you. You want to ask what? Baby loss, okay? Your house like Okoya?
Azuka, Biko, I don't have the energy for cross-examinations this morning. If you don't want to fetch water, forget it. We'll all go hungry in this house till the water tanker comes to fill the tank. Okay. But as for me, I am not setting my food out of this compound to go and get water for anybody. I am not the only wife in this family. I'm not anybody's slave.
Yeah, baby, Yoma. So I'm your stay, Bekwa. Oh, zoom around, walking cops. You heard me right.
Hey! Seaport calling kettle black. So, in you are saying that I am dead. I'm asking you now. Answer me. Answer me.
What is it this early morning?
You are very much alive. I know your plan. Ihoma, I'm a plan again. So your plan is to make my marriage miserable, right? Ihoma, you will die in frustration in this house and I'll come for your burial.
No. This is your plan. Azuka, it is your plan. So you don't want me to be alive in my husband's house, Okwia? We will know who will enter and not come out. I am only a boozer, Napu. Kolia.
Stop this.
Kolia! Let us see who will die first. What's happen? Let's know.
Will the both of you stop this madness?
Stop
it right now!
You will die first. Here. You will see it now. I will come.
Shut up, Azuka! Shut up!
Shut
up! What's all this now? What's all this?
Let's see.
Can't somebody have peace in this house?
Let us see. Let us see. Ayafo, Ngwanu. Let us see it. Nonsense.
So, just because of ordinary go and fetch water, you went out there and you people started abusing each other to the extent of wishing each other death. Just ordinary go and fetch water.
Did you say ordinary? I mean, how can I, Azuka,
Go and fetch water for that idiot, Ihoma. Car! Am I a house help?
So you now ended up wishing each other death? Ewa? May God have mercy on both of you. May God have mercy on both of you. As for me and my brother, we've entered one chance in the name of marriage.
Meaning?
Hey! Waka kanjizi emeni kanube. So what do you? Just licking ube. Hey, what do you? So the killing we watch and the power might keep people left in this house do not want us to eat any food in this house, okay?
Mama, because don't worry, see, the tanker man will soon be here. We've called him, okay? He will soon be here. He will refill the water and they will cook something.
By then I would have refilled my...
No, Mama, for the meantime, okay. Just manage this. Mama, because no. Mama, because the tanker will soon come. They will cook. Huh? She's already inside the kitchen. Because what kind of a wife is this? Huh? Azuka! Every time, you will be the last person to wake up from bed when other people are done with their morning chores. Huh? You are still sleeping on bed. Come and wake up from that bed. Azuka! Azuka! Hey! Chimo! Azuka! Hey! F-home. Chimo! Hey! Udo, there's a problem, Udo. What? I don't know what happened to my wife. Come and help me, please. Udo. See, I don't know what she's doing.
What's happening again? Azuka.
Udo?
Eh?
Wait, is she dead?
Go get...
Udo, is she dead?
Is my wife dead? No, get somebody, let's take her to hospital. Get a taxi.
I'm going. Okay, I'm going to buy a car.
Yes.
What happened to Azuka? What? Oh, Guinea.
How's my wife doing, please? How's my wife?
Your wife died.
Hey! My wife did what?
She died a few hours before she was brought in.
Hey!
Just like that. And she died of food poisoning.
Hey! Hey! I am finished. I am finished. Get up. Get up from me. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Yeah, get up. I should get up. My wife died. Get up. Get up. Hey! Hello? Hey! Mommy, which way? Come. Hey! So you killed my wife, right? So you did it. You did it. You've done it. You did what you said you would do. Just because of ordinary girl and fetch water. Ordinary girl and fetch water, you killed your co-wife.
Jesus.
Just because of ordinary girl and fetch water. Ordinary girl and fetch water. You killed her. You don't even know. Hey!
What happened to Azuka?
What are you asking? You're asking me?
Hey!
Udoji!
Udoji, say something! Can you Azuka?
What happened to you?
Hey!
What happened to you?
Hey, can you help me? What is going on? What is going on?
Oh! You don't leave me now!
Hey!
Let's go inside first. Let's go inside. You're wicked! Don't worry.
Hey!
I'll deal with you this house. I'll deal with you.
What is going on? Udoji, what happened to Azuka? Hey! Okay, ma. What?
Mama. Hey God. They have killed my wife. They have killed my wife. We just finished burying Papa. They killed her. Ofuanyam. Ofubula. Hey God.
Ihuoma is wicked. Ihuoma is a killer. Ihuoma was so chill. What they want you. She's abominable. And abomination will follow her for the rest of her life.
She can't deny it. She can't. Tell me, how can someone be heartless, so wicked, to the extent to kill her own co-wife? Just because of one useless thing. Ordinary girl fetch water, Mama, she killed. Hey!
You see the kind of wife you married? You see the kind of wife you married? Udoji, she's wicked. You're not saying anything, Okwia. You will talk. You suddenly become deaf and dumb. Oh no, Achigogi. Oh my God, you Nanya Bab. It's okay.
Bikon, I don't know what happened to her. My hands are clean. I didn't do anything to Azuka. There's no way I can kill her. I can't even hurt a fly. Bikon.
Huh? You didn't do it. Then who did it? See her mouth. I didn't do anything.
This woman is a killer. That is your wife. Who knows whose turn it will be next?
What kind of story is this? My elders, this is how I saw it. This is just how I saw it. Imagine.
And what is the young girl saying?
What else will she say? She's not saying anything. Nothing.
Udoji, what's your wife saying about this thing?
If I told you that I had not been confused since morning,
I would be a big liar. She is just denying the whole thing.
Where is she now?
Go and call her.
Is this how this life is? So this is how this life is. I've just put myself inside trouble. Who told me to open my mouth? Who told me to open my mouth? Who told me to open my mouth? Who told me to open my mouth?
Ivana, the elders want to see you. Come with me.
My elders, I greet you.
Yes. We have just been told the story of how you and your husband brother's wife, Azoka, had little misunderstanding yesterday. And both of you betted on who will kill each other first. Only for Azoka to die this morning. The doctor just confirmed that she was poisoned. Eh?
My elders, I have absolutely no hand in Azuka's death. I didn't kill Azuka. It was just mere ranting. I swear on my life I have no hands in Azuka's death. Bikono. Udoji, please believe me. I didn't kill her. There's no way I can kill Azuka.
Don't swear yet. We put everything off till tomorrow. See, we shall carry the corpse to this place tomorrow. Then our great Gideon will come and wash the cup with water. Then we give you the water to wash your hand to prove you're innocent.
Yes.
Then we know whether you are guilty or not.
Udoji, please. How can I wash my hands with what I used to wash dead body? How? I come, Dutch. I didn't kill Azuka because no.
So that you prove your innocence for everybody.
Yes. I didn't kill her. I didn't kill Azuka. Because I don't have anything to do with her death. Because no. Biko. I need to talk to you, please.
I'm listening.
I know there's no way I can exonerate myself from these accusations because I have looked at it and I keep wondering to myself how mere words spoken in anger can just become reality. I'm even beginning to doubt myself because I said those words. I said those words and all of a sudden they became reality. But I just want to beg you for something, please. If everyone else believes I did it, not you. Not you, please. Do me that favor. Believe me, I didn't do it. There is no way, there's absolutely no way I can poison Azuka in my dreams, not to talk of reality. I've been with you for over 10 years. You know me inside out. There's no way I can do such a thing. Please, if everyone else believes I did it, not you, please. Just do it for me. Let me go. Don't you, please? I'm begging you, please.
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? Hey, what do I do now? How can I wash my hands with water used in washing a dead body? Hey, what have I done to myself? Oh, Chai.
Where are you going?
So you want to play the fast one on us, Ekwa? Huh? You expect us to sit down and fold our hands and watch you kill your co-wife, my own wife? Hey, Igoma, you lie now. You lie. Huh? Look at you.
I'm innocent. I didn't kill her.
Keep that mouth shut. You're innocent. So why did you escape in the night?
Oh.
Mama, so you are this bad?
Oh! Now you see the kind of witch you married. Evil! Only about abomination couple.
I didn't kill her. I'm serious. I didn't kill her.
Why did you run?
No, I was
scared. I was scared.
You were scared. Scared of getting Otuana trouble. You were scared. If I hear you call yourself that innocent again, I'm going to mark out.
Kiki gana group ose. Ada here no. Opanu papa guru. Bonti churia. Iho ye metere ya buru.
Oh yeah. Is it my wife? I shall know who killed her.
Woman, wash your hands and prove your innocence.
I wash my hands now. I wash my hands. Everything. What's doing you? Did I kill her? So if I told you I killed her, you will believe me? So, if I told you I didn't kill her, you will believe me? Hey! If I told you I didn't kill her, you will believe me? Hey! Azuki baby! Did I kill her? I killed her! Yes. You! Did I kill her? Look at Azuka! Azuka is dead! Eh? I poisoned her. I killed her! Do you believe me? Did I kill her? No! Did I kill her? Yes! Did I kill her? Yes. No! Udaji! Udaji! You are looking at me. Udaji. Let's make a love. Hey. Let's make a love. Hey. Let's make a love. Let's make a love. Hey. Hey. Udaji, let's make a love. Love, 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 love.
The dead has avenged for herself. Let no one touch her. She shall remain a wanderer and a fugitive all the days of her life.
Oh.
Sounds right.
My people, you have seen it. The killer of our own has been identified. There is nothing we can do than to bury the dead.
Oh!
Does it mean that Ihoma is this evil? She has been keeping poison in this house and nobody knows about it. Who would have believed that Ihoma, my wife, is a murderer?
You are saying that I am dead. I'm asking you now. Answer me. Answer me.
What is it this early morning?
You don't very much alive. I know your plan. Ihoma, I'm a plan again. So your plan is to make my marriage miserable, right? Ihoma, you will die in frustration in this house and I'll come for your burial. No. This is your plan. Azuka, it is your plan. So, you don't want me to be alive in my husband's house, Okwia? We will know who will enter and not come out. I am only a boozer, Napu. Kolia.
Stop this.
Kolia! Let us see who will die first. What happen? Let's know.
Will the both of you stop this madness?
Stop
it right now!
You will die first. Here. You will see it now. I will come.
Shut up, Azuka! Shut up! Shut up!
What's all this now? What's all this?
Let's see.
Can't somebody have peace in this house?
Let us see. Let us see. Ayafo, Ngwanu. Let us see it. Nonsense.
Chai. And I have loved and trusted her with my life. Who knows? The poison might as well be reserved for me. Waiting for the day I will misbehave and that will be the end of me.
It is good that Azuka was buried immediately and the Ihoma was exposed and she has left us for good. Now, it would be an abomination if you boys repeated the same crime you did before by marrying witches as a wife who couldn't even give us grandchildren.
Mama, do not remind us of
of the past. If you have anything to say, just go ahead and say it.
What I am trying to say is that I have found you people wives to marry. Yes. Good women that come from homes that produce children for their husbands.
Mama Chewalo, for now, I am not ready to remarry. Not for now, or at least I need like 1 year to mourn my wife before I start talking about marriage.
You see?
1 year.
Mama? For now, I want women to stay very far away from me, and I will be on my own. If Ihoma was not the angel I thought she was, who, among all these women roaming around like evil spirits looking for who to send to an early grave?
Joanne.
Now I know your plans. Kita can go telephone na. You want to destroy this family. Yes, you don't want to get married. Then your father's lineage will be forgotten forever. Or grab the plan.
Mama, I'm serious. Oh. I'm very, very serious. I'm not talking about marriage now. I need 1 year. 1 year to finish mourning my wife.
Mama, I need a break for now.
Break? You're not getting any break.
Mama, we need a break.
I know about recreation. You're not getting any break. You must marry.
I mean, no, I want by force.
All by force. If I can not choose my one, whether do you or the other, it's by force.
Yeah.
You are no longer talking about getting married again. This is 6 months you buried your wife.
The 6 months you said. My friend, let me tell you something. Nothing will be deducted from that proposed 1 year mourning for my wife. Nothing. I have to complete it 1 year. See, I love that girl so much. I love her very much. I can't just mourn her for 6 months. No, it's not possible. No, I have to complete it 1 year. I have to.
But I know. You have to continue with your life. You're not getting younger anymore. Look at you.
I'm not getting younger, you said. It's okay. You see that 1 year proposed morning? I must complete it. It's a must. That's it. I love her so much.
But man, that story almost blew my head off. How can a woman poison her co-wife just like that?
The story, the whole thing is it's just crazy to me. Huh? I don't know. I don't just know what to say. It's just ordinary go and fetch water. Ordinary go and fetch water. She killed her. Oh God, she killed my wife. Huh? I tell you something, eh? Fear women. You see women, fear them. But Adeba.
My daughter, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is Mama in?
She should be inside.
Okay. Let me see her.
Ify, baby. Oh, what is this you're wearing? Covering up everywhere. Don't you know how to show some small things now? Eh? You don't know how to entice a man? Mbano. See, next time, you wear the kind of dress that will show some things. Eh?
Oh, Mama.
Mama. But I'm serious, so.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay. I bought some food stuff. I would like you to go and prepare something delicious. Come for name we sing. Eh? Go.
This time is the best. Didi Kamari, this time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you...
Now you got you. Your food is ready.
Huh?
Your food is ready.
Okay. What is that?
I don't know if you see.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Don't worry, I prepared this specially for you. You like it?
Okay. Busy. Running errands, doing everything. Just marry this one now, and the beast in her will surface. These people should just leave me alone. Happen, Maka.
You're done with that. Go on a limit. There's something I need you to do. You will tie down my wrapper there. Up there. And go and break firewood at the backyard. But before you go, please, go and clear the plates that he used in eating. Eh? Go and come back. Hey!
My daughter, hope you enjoyed the meal.
Yes, it was very tasty.
Thank you.
Didi Kamari, this time is the best. Didi Kamari, this time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things. It will make you put hands in evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands in evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi Kamari, this time is the best. Didi Kamari, this time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things. It will make you put hands in evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands in evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi come marry, 'cause time is the best. Didi come marry.
Nine Dodge.
How is it?
Sorry. I want to help you take me inside.
You want to take me inside? Is it because of a small pan wine? No, I'll go to my room.
Are you sure?
Fine.
How am I going to get him to like give me a small? Mama.
What is it? Mama, I don't think he likes me.
What do you mean you don't think he likes you?
Look, Mama, I am tired of this whole thing, well. I'm tired. I don't think I want to continue.
Well, you're not sleeping with me tonight. So better go back to his room and sleep with him.
Oh. Mama, I don't like forcing myself on people, though.
And who is people? Look at you. Your mates are married. Happily married in their husband's house. And you're here talking about people. Ha!
Okay, so what if I go there and he did not touch me? What am I going to do?
Don't you have hands? If he refuses to touch you, you touch him. Now go back to that room. Go back, let me sleep, please.
If you want to, I'll come back here.
Come here, do you do bad in the baby?
Now for men, no, they've gotten this mad woman pregnant.
Can you imagine? How can a man never say he prefers to sleep with mad woman?
Like you don't know, they do it for ritual or follow up activities for ritual.
Hey! Don't motivate me.
Make a log. I'm coming for you. Yes? Yes. 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 You. I'm coming for you. Yes? Yes. I'm coming you. Or you. You know? Yes. Yes. Shit in my parlor. I'm coming for you. Yes. Yes. Make a laugh. I'm coming for you. Yes.
There she is. Interesting. Thank you very much, my dear.
Yes,
From today, we are going to be monitoring her. Once she is due for delivery, we will take her to a maternity home where she will be able to deliver her baby and upkeep of that baby. Can we go?
Yes, sister.
I'm coming for you. Yes.
Where is he inside?
No, he's not.
Mama, guess from the works.
What worked? Mama,
I'm just coming from the clinic. I am 3 weeks pregnant.
Hey! All is happening where? Hey!
Mama, touch it. Mama, touch it.
Hey! Oh, Chai! Oh, yeah! Chai, Chupunaya! You are too much. You have done it again, as you always do. That is why I always call upon you. Hey!
Eh? So this is how you and my mother planned this whole thing. From helping you to split firewood, to giving me a delicious meal, and a jar of palm wine. Ha! And a goal was scored.
Well, Chaluko, let me ask you a question. So you expected Mwabunai to just sit back and watch 2 of my sons go childless? It's not possible. Hey!
Nani, don't you? The truth is that I've liked you. I've liked you so much. Very much, even before you got married to your wife, Ihoma.
Oda Bagogi. Oda Bagogi. We'll plan on how to come and see your people.
So you liked him?
Mama, thank you.
Captain Yamasu sees that you liked him now. No wonder you were always walking across the street all the time.
Mama.
Grandma, Mama, Grandma, and I will answer. If you the girl, Atalu Gowani, who do more talent. Hey!
Udo, why must he be semi-formal?
Agane, this, your question, is a bit too late.
How?
She's already pregnant for me.
Udo?
She's pregnant.
Udo, this is good news. This shows we're not cursed after all. We are not. Udo, this is good news. No problems. Let me tell you something. We can proceed with the marriage plans. Yes. Just go and get the list. Check the money value of the items. Just calculate the money, send it across to me. Let me see how much I'll wire for you. Pregnant. Hey.
Now that you're talking about wiring money. If I take one. Thank you very much.
Did he say pregnant?
Yes. Yes. Leave it. Leave it. Leave. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it now. Leave it now. Hey! Jatifina. Jatifina. Thief. Hey, Jatif. 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 Thief. It is there. Hey! Thief. 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 Hey. Hey. They are going. They are going.
It was successful. She just put to bed a bouncing baby boy.
Hey, thank God. You know what we shall do? We'll take her to a psychiatric hospital where she will be accessible to us, at least for a proper breastfeeding of the baby.
Yeah, I think that would be a nice idea. Who knows? She might just recover her sanity on that process.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Let me see the baby.
you not going to sweep this compound this morning?
Me? Because I can't do anything. I'm pregnant.
Pregnancy that people have not even seen. You can't sweep because you're pregnant.
Look, even if he's a week old, or even a month old, or whatever, I am pregnant. Pregnancy is pregnancy. And besides, the head of nurse said I can't do anything. So right now that I'm pregnant, I can't sweep, I can't cook, I can't do anything. I'm pregnant. I don't want to lose my baby, please.
Hey! Udojindo! Come ke no one go.
Didi Kamai, cause time is the best. Didi Kamai, cause time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal.
Okay, Nazazi. Are you the one sweeping?
Mba, it's my ghost that is sweeping. You saw me here sweeping and you're asking if I'm the one sweeping. I'm sweeping. You have seen what we arranged. She's pregnant, so I'm sweeping.
Ifeoma, Inozieba and your husband is sweeping. Mama! Ah!
Mama, please. I don't have time for plenty talk. Be cool.
This is how other husbands marry their wives. So I'm marrying her.
Nah. Call her now.
Mama, leave her. You arranged it very well. So she's pregnant. Let me sweep.
Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences.
My brother-in-law, welcome.
Our wife. So tell me, how is the baby doing?
My dear, the baby is really troubling me. By now I'll be fine. You know baby things and all that.
Don't worry, it's all for good, okay? It's all for good. Where's my brother?
He's in the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
Yes.
Wow, brother. Anyway, it's okay. Yes.
For me? Thank you. Thank you,
You're most welcome.
God bless you. For me.
Let me see my brother. I hope you like it.
Thank you, yes.
I come there. You're welcome.
Udo? Are you the one cooking?
You have seen it, my brother. I'm cooking. Our new wife is pregnant. She said she will never do any other house chores until she puts to bed. So,
Hey. 3 months. Just 3 months pregnancy. And all of this is happening. What if it's 9 months?
my brother, I don't know. I wanted to talk. She told me that I have never been married to a pregnant woman. I closed my mouth.
Women, they will never change.
I have decided to be on my own. Let me be on my own and rest. I don't know how Mama arranged this trap that I stupidly fell into. All the same, what can I do? This one is nothing close to a wife material. Nagging, lazy, bad attitude. What's happened, I see?
Food will soon be ready and you eat.
Yes, I know. Udo, at least it is better than being married to a murderer.
Yes.
That's why I'm
give
here.
Give me my baby. Thief! Onyoshimwa. Thief! Stop! Thief! Tifa, baby. Want to give my baby spoils me. Thief. It's my baby, not your baby.
I can no longer sleep at night. Her spirit haunts me. I have no peace nor rest. She just follows me around. Please, we need to tame her soul. We need to tame her permanently.
Woman, the only way you can be free is to confess to your children.
How possible can that be?
How do you expect to be free from the torment of an innocent soul? You have to confess. We have to confess. Else, greater doom awaits us.
Okansije.
Yes.
Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands in evil things.
Mama, you cannot make me to travel so unprepared all the way from Onitsha down to this place. And you suddenly say you cannot say anything again. Huh? Mama, please, whatever it is, tell us. We can handle it. We are men.
Hey, Mama, you had better say it out. I'm holding it back. They're your children. Tell us, whatever it is, let us know how to solve it.
I killed Wazico.
Udo? What did she say? What did she say?
I didn't hear. What did he say? I didn't hear you well.
You heard me well. You can imagine the plight of a frustrated, tired, old woman who's supposed to be a grandmother. What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment? Hey. Both my sons are married to useless women. None of them has been able to give me a grandchild. Keka's in job that there's no peace in this house. How can I not have children and yet I can't even have peace? Oh, what a long Kenji. I have nothing. Eh?
So your plan is to make my marriage miserable, right? Ihoma, you will die in frustration in this house, and I'll come for your burial.
No. This is your plan. Azuka, it is your plan. So you don't want me to be alive in my husband's house, Okwia? We will know who will enter and not come out. I am only a boozer, not Korea. Let us see who will die first. Let's go.
Will the both of you stop this madness?
Stop
it right now!
You will die first here. You will say it now. I will come.
Shut up, Azuka! Shut up!
Woman, why do you want to soil your hand with blood?
The gods understand my predicament.
Understand what? The only thing that the gods understand is outright anger and judgment on a soul that wants to waste another blood.
I will take the judgment. I need the substance. I need to correct the wrong that my sons have made. What I need are grandchildren, not war.
What are you doing? I'm about to dish my food. Cantilene, are you ready to eat your own? I'll bring it for you.
Oh, you will bring it?
I've served the Kene and Odoji. They're eating.
Okay. But whose own is that one?
That's Azuka's own. She says she doesn't want to eat.
Azuka. Let me take it to her.
I won't even try it.
She's a child.
Mama, don't bother yourself. When she's hungry, she'll come here and carry the food and eat.
I will take it to her myself. Let me have it.
I'll just leave this food.
Thank you. I'll give it to
I'm bringing your own now. You are ready to eat up, yeah?
The elders have decided that Ihuoma would wash her hands with the water used to wash the cups of my late daughter-in-law to prove her innocence as tradition demands. But the issue at hand here is that we need to make her look guilty.
Woman, I cannot soil my hands with blood. The blood of an innocent never dies. Yes, it must surely seek vengeance, and the gods will allow vengeance to it at their time.
We have already started this, and
Woman, watch your tongue. We did not start anything together.
You gave me the substance that I used. And if you fail to work with me, as you perform the rituals, I will announce in front of everyone that I killed Asoka. You know what that means? It spells doom for both of us.
Is it how you have entrapped me?
Well, let's just go ahead and do what we need to do.
I know what to do. She will not die. She will be seen as the killer of Azuka after the rituals.
Hey! Mama! You killed your own daughter-in-law and made us believe it was my own Ihoma that did.
Kiki gana buko se. Ada here no. Upano bubble. Bonti chire. Iho ye metere ya buru.
Oh yeah. Is it all right? I shall know who killed them.
I will.
Woman, wash your hands and prove your innocence.
I wash my hands now. I wash my hands. Azukinga. What's doing you? Did I kill her? So, if I told you I killed her, you will believe me? So, if I told you I didn't kill her, you will believe me? Hey! If I told you I didn't kill her, you will believe me? Hey! Azuki baby! Did I kill her? I killed her? Yes. You! Did I kill her? Look at Azuka. Azuka is dead. Eh? I poisoned her. I killed her. Do you believe me? Did I kill her? No. Did I kill her? Yes. Did I kill her? Yes. No. Udaji. Udaji. You are looking. Udaji. Let's make a love. Let's make a love. Let's make a love. Let's make a love.
Hey, Mama, you connive with the chief priest to make my informer run mad. Mama! Mama! Wait, again, wait. But you mean this woman deserves to die? Hey, Mama, could you believe? How can you be this wicked? Mama, hey. Mama! I can't understand it. Mama, let us understand this. Let us understand this. Mama. Mama, you made me lose an angel. The love of my life. And gave me that thing in the name of a wife. That thing that calls herself Ifoma. Ifoma, my love. Where will I ever find you?
What are you doing here by this time of the night?
I can't find sleep.
Udoji, worrying does not solve any problem. Okay? Come, let's go to bed.
I'm not feeling sleepy.
It's because you're allowing everything weigh you down. Just let go. Let go and sleep will come knocking.
It's not as easy as you said. Look at me. I am now living in the village. I have nothing. No money, no child. Nothing.
You may have lost everything, but you still have me. Which means you still have everything.
just want to help. Only you. You swept the house, swept the entire compound, washed our clothes, cooked. Do you want to... Now you're splitting firewood. Do you want to kill yourself for me?
I just want to use it to cook, Biko. It's just fine.
Let me help.
No, I don't want to disturb you.
No, I'm going to help.
Okay. Okay.
So, stand aside. Now we need to move dodgy.
Oh. Wawa no cook because I need to go and cook.
I'm the one you're going to cook for, right?
Okay.
Now we need to
Good. What is it?
You know that every day I keep thanking God for giving you to me as my wife.
Udoji, you know I don't like flatteries.
I am not flattering you. See, I'm telling you the truth from the bottom of my heart. You know what? Even at moments when everything turns sour and it seems life has turned me upside down, you've always been the only thing that gives me joy, gives me a reason to live again. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Thank you. It's just for food. Nothing else inside it and the soup is ready. Mommy here now call love. Udo. Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Are you sure you are fine?
See how you're smiling and... What's going on? Any goodies?
Let us wait until after Papa's burial. I have a surprise for you.
You know I don't like surprises.
This surprise, you will love this one. I won't tell you, just be patient. When did you?
It's me.
I know. Dodge, it's you now. After Papa's burial, I will tell you.
Hey.
Have you eaten?
I know you want to use this food too.
Be patient. Can see taking me. I know you're hungry. I will tell you about Papa's burial. Can see taking me.
Hey, Mama.
I do my work. I'm not telling you.
I'm here.
Okay. What have you done to Mama? What have you done to Mama?
What did you do to Mama? Mama, I didn't do anything now. What happened to Mama?
You're asking me. Ekene, what did you do to Mama?
I said I did not do anything to Mama now. I didn't do anything.
You're asking me. You're asking me what you did.
Udo. Yeah. Go ahead, go. Udo. Hey. Udoji. Udoji. What? Mama? 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 Hey! Udo. Udo. When did this happen now? What happened to Mama?
I should be asking you.
Mama! Hey! Mama didn't do anything, Udo. Believe me. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Seriously. I didn't touch Mama. I did not.
You had wanted to get her yesterday.
Mama did not. I was just talking. I didn't do anything. Mama! Hey! Mama! Mama! Hey! Udo, believe me. Seriously.
I did not touch, I swear, I did not touch Mama. I was just blabbing, I was just talking. I didn't... But why are you looking at me like this way now? I did not touch Mama now. What's all this?
I did not kill her. I didn't kill her. We just had an argument, we exchanged words, and she died that same night. The only thing I remember is washing my hands in the bowl of water they used to wash her dead body. I can't remember any other thing except for me being pregnant and waiting for my father-in-law's burial rites to be over to tell my husband the good news.
It's okay. Stop crying. God is still in control. Okay? God brought out our orphanage to assist people like you. We're going to make arrangements to take you back to your husband's place.
No, I can't go back there. I can't go back there. They will stone me to death if they see me there. I can't.
But you cannot remain here either.
I can't even go back to my people. They've labeled me a murderer and a disappointment. I just want to start my life afresh and leave everything behind me.
I can't. Just calm down. Okay? Everything will be okay. Calm down. Everything will be okay. It's okay.
Yesterday, Mama confessed to Okena and I that she connived with the chief priest to kill his wife. And made it appear as if it was my lovely Ihuoma that did it. Hey. If I did not intervene, Ekene would have strangled her. Hey. So this morning, I went to Mama's room only to see her lifeless body. Hey! Tell me, am I wrong by thinking that he did it?
Mothers, I only acted in anger as Mama broke the news to us. But I later realized, how will I have killed my own mother? It will be foolish of me. Not until this morning, I did not enter her room when Udoji came to inquire from me. What happened to Mama? That's it.
Hey. It's okay. First of all, we shall go to the chief priest to find out if the story you told us about his conspiracy with your mother is true. Then we shall know the next line of action we shall take.
Exactly. Exactly.
Wise one, we are here. We have arrived. Wise one. Hey, can we go and job? Is he still breathing? He's not alive. Eh? You see, the truth has been made open. The gods of the land had vindicated the innocent one. My son, both of you should not cry for the death of your mother. Before you chop off. She will not be given to any burial right. The youth of this land will carry her corpse to the evil forest. That's what she deserves. Oh. But the gods are wise. Hi! Gods are wise.
Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things.
Elga, so where are they taking Mama to? I saw some boys living with Mama because where are they taking her to?
You are the next person they will send out of this compound.
Me? Oh.
You connived with Mama to kill Azuka and made everybody believe it was my lovely Ihoma that did it. Just so you could come into my life. Thank God the truth is out. You will soon leave.
I don't know what you're talking about, eh? The most important thing is that I have come, and I have come to stay. So there is no going back.
Okay, it's all good. We shall see. We shall see between you and I who owns this compound.
Anaman. But where are they taking her to?
Ojugo chamaka. Ojugo. Jochi, please, I heard that somebody came here and was talking about my wife.
Let's say I saw many faces I can't recognize.
Hey, so you can't think and, eh? Okay, no problem. Please, now that you have taking your position, please, what is the next thing to do?
Uhuru chingwa makabie. Okwana abu nwata ntasi kabute ebune ya. Mana ebune nwata na nkole eleyo. Ndị nna afasi no na bu nkwu na nkwutekọ n'oke ogi. Igirigu apaka ọnụ. First of all, you must let the villagers know the truth that your wife Iluoma is innocent.
The news is already everywhere. Everybody knows she's innocent.
We will gather all the villagers. A cock will be given to her. A goat, 7 tubers of yam with some money. Then, will her sanity be restored?
See, the problem right now is that she is nowhere to be found.
That's your job. Go and look for your wife. Kweke ebune. Kweke ebune. This is your job. Kweke ebune. Kweke ebune.
Where will I ever find a woman, my love? God, you need to help me in this one. Please, God. Hi.
Ezibudi. Odimnobi. Hey. Odimnobi. Hey. Hey. Don't worry. You will like it. Very sweet.
Ifeoma, you're doing this because you know that the truth is now in the open. Because you know that Ihuoma, my love, will soon return to me. That's why you're doing this. When was the last time you cooked in this house? I thought you said you would never cook again until you put to bed.
Udoji, I don't know what you're talking about. Ihoma or no Ihoma, I'm carrying your child. I'm your wife.
Oh, you think that fascinates me? You think it excites me? No, that was before. Right now, the only thing on my mind is how to find Ihoma.
I'm your wife. I'm your wife, and I'm carrying your baby. I'm carrying your child.
Carry this one too.
Father Lord, I thank you. Father Lord, I bless your good name.
I said it. I knew it. I said it and I knew that the God that I serve must surely vindicate me. I said that my daughter can never hurt a fly, but nobody believed me. They all said my daughter was a murderer. That the gods have exposed her. Father Lord, I bless your name because you are greater than all. Creator of all universe, the maker of heaven and earth, you are bigger and greater than them all.
See, I am very sorry about everything that happened. I'm truly sorry. I know that my mother went too far, pushed her out and all that, but please, I am begging you to forgive me. Please, and accept me back as your son-in-law.
Did you say forgive you? Did you just ask for forgiveness? It is only God in heaven that can forgive you your sin, not me. Go and ask God for forgiveness.
I know I have prayed and I have begged God for forgiveness. See, all I'm asking right now is for you to forgive me, and if you know where she is, let me also beg her to come back to my life.
How can I know her whereabouts? How can I know her whereabouts when you people inflicted her with madness and she ran out of sight? How can I know? How can I know? How can I know? How can I know the whereabouts of my daughter? How can I know?
You don't know where she is?
God. Just stand up. Stand up. Yeah, stand up.
Thank you.
One of our kinsmen said he saw her at the city of Wazico, making death at a refuse dump, fully pregnant.
See how you're smiling and... What's going on? Any goodies?
Let us wait until after Papa's burial. I have a surprise for you.
You know I don't like surprises.
This surprise, you will love this one. I won't tell you, just be patient. When did you?
It's me.
I know. Dodge, it's you now. After Papa's burial, I will tell you.
Hey!
Have you eaten?
I know you want to use this food too.
Be patient. Can't sit here. I know you're hungry. I will tell you about Papa's burial. Can't sit here.
Hey, Mama.
I'm not telling you.
Pregnant? That was what he said.
She's pregnant.
Yes, that was what he said.
Hey! That would be the surprise she had wanted to tell me. Ha! Please, where can I see this kinsman of yours? I need to talk to him. I need to find out.
I think I have to contact him. Let me get him. Please. Please. Let me get him.
Call him.
Just hold him.
Cause time is the best.
Father Lord, I thank you. Father Lord, I bless your good name. I said it. I knew it. I said it and I knew that the God that I serve must surely vindicate me. I said that my daughter can never hurt a fly, but nobody believed me. They all said my daughter was a murderer. That the gods have exposed her. Father Lord, I bless your name because you are greater than all. Creator of all universe, the maker of heaven and earth, you are bigger and greater than them all.
See, I am very sorry about everything that happened. I'm truly sorry. I know that my mother went too far, pushed her out and all that, but please, I am begging you to forgive me. Please, and accept me back as your son-in-law.
Did you say forgive you? Did you just ask for forgiveness? It is only God in heaven that can forgive you your sin, not me. Go and ask God for forgiveness.
Yeah. I know I have prayed and I have begged God for forgiveness. See, all I'm asking right now is for you to forgive me, and if you know where she is, let me also beg her to come back to my life.
How can I know her whereabouts? How can I know her whereabouts when you people inflicted her with madness and she ran out of sight? How can I know? How can I know? How can I know? How can I know the whereabouts of my daughter? How can I know?
So, you don't know where she is?
God. Just stand up. Stand up. Yeah, stand up.
Thank you.
One of our kinsmen said he saw her at the city of Wazico, making death at a refuse dump, fully pregnant.
See how you're smiling and... What's going on? Any goodies?
Let us wait until after Papa's burial. I have a surprise for you.
You know I don't like surprises.
This surprise, you will love this one. I won't tell you, just be patient. When did you?
It's me.
I know. Dodge, it's you now. After Papa's burial, I will tell you.
Hey!
Have you eaten?
I know you want to use this food too.
Be patient. Can't sit there even. I know you're hungry. I will tell you about Papa's burial. Can't sit there even.
Hey, Mama.
I'm not telling you.
Pregnant?
That was what he said.
She's pregnant.
Yes, that was what
he said. Hey, that would be the surprise she had wanted to tell me. Ha! Please, where can I see this kinsman of yours? I need to talk to him. I need to find out.
I think I have to contact him. Let me get him.
Please.
Let me get him.
Call him.
Please. Don't swallow my cup.
Please. Are you sure it was my Ihoma that you saw?
Very, very sure.
Hi. But how did she get that far?
I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Just describe how I could get there. Please, just tell me how I can get there, please.
The place is very simple to locate. Once bus stops you at the Central Park, take your left and go down the road. Then by the right hand side, you will see a refuse dump with a little shade there. She lives there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let me...
They don't have that lives in the refuse dump. They don't have that lives in the refuse dump. Oh God.
Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Wazico will put into trouble. Wazico will put into temptation. Wazico will make you put hands on evil things. Wazico will put into trouble. Wazico will put into temptation. Wazico will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Didi Kamari, Gustav is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal.
Why don't you at least go back to your father's house? Since you said that you will not go back to your husband's house.
Sir, I cannot go back to my father's house. I can't even attempt my husband's place. They all see me as a murderer. I can't go back there. I'm sorry.
But you just said that you're innocent.
I am innocent, sir. But after I took the oath of washing of hands, it went against me. There's nothing I will do or say that will make those people see me as an innocent person. I want to start my life afresh. I want to forget everything that has to do with that place or where I'm coming from. Chief, please. I need to start afresh, at least for my baby's sake.
Well, I may need your service.
Thank you, sir.
My children go to school in the morning and come back in the evening.
Yes, sir.
Since I lost their mother
in
a plane crash, I need someone that will be a housekeeper, someone to take care of these children, to make sure the house is kept, everything is in order, there is food. So my salary for you will comfortably take care of you and your son, as long as you are willing to stay.
Sir, I will stay even if you don't pay me. I'm okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Please let me take. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Okay, no.
I'm very grateful.
Yes.
Not just for what you did for her,
But for the benevolence we should have been doing towards this orphanage.
May the Lord Almighty continue to bless you.
Thank
I
you,
don't
sir.
even know how to
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you, sir.
Both of you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ihuoma! Ihuoma! Ihuoma!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What are you doing?
I was spreading the clothes I washed outside, sir.
Okay, when you finish what you are doing, I want you to go to the market and look for those stuffs to replace the broken vessel.
No problem.
And also check all those food stuffs that have finished. I want you to buy them all, yeah? Just take this.
Thank you, sir.
When the children come, keep them indoors. I don't want them to go outside, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
What are you doing here now? What are you doing in this house?
In my own house? How?
Udo, I was told that your wife has been in labor for these past 3 days. 3 days! Instead of you to be at the village clinic with her, you are sitting down here. Udo, this is not fair now. This is not fair.
Who is my wife?
Informer, of course.
That is a curse. I reject it.
It's a curse and I reject it. Informer cannot be my wife. Udo, this thing you are doing is not fair. It is high time you accepted that Ihoma is no more. Ihoma is no more. Move on with your life now, please. At least, Informer is out there about to give you a child. This is a blessing to us, Udo. What Ihoma could not give you for these past 10 years. Check in.
Are you alright?
Udo,
I have the strong belief that Ihoma is fine and I will see her one day. And you are here telling me all this rubbish. I will see her one day. As for that one that calls herself Ihoma, I would rather die alone. I would rather die a lonely man than call her, use this mouth of mine to call her my wife.
Udo, check one or drama.
I'll check. If you check too, you can take over.
What Ihuoma couldn't have given you for the past 10 years is out there waiting for you and you are here.
She can also give you. Test. I have tested. I was coming to welcome you. I didn't even know you brought news of evil people.
Who is in? Who is in the house?
Yes. Who is it?
Please, I'm looking for Udoji.
Udoji? Okay, I hope there's no problems. Alright.
Udoji, your wife just put to bed.
Huh? Yes. Say it again. What did he say?
I said your wife has just put to
bed. Hey! Thank God. So tell me, what sex? What is she getting? Woo! God, they are good. After all, we are not cursed after all.
But the baby died.
Chimo?
Truth was still dead. She died.
Hey! Chimo? Is it? Are you sure? Hey! Hey! No. Hey! Hey!
So as if Oma asked me to come and notify you so you can come and do the needful.
It's all right. Thank you for the message. Now, thank you.
Udo, did you say thank you? She can go. Hey. Okay, Udo, come, let us go and bring back your wife. You hear? Let's go.
It looks like you have some money. That is a good thing. Please, go to the clinic and pay them and get her discharged.
Udo, I should go and pay and get her discharged. Udo, this thing you are doing to this girl is not good. This is not fair now, Udo. This is not fair. Please, let's go and bring back your wife now. Oh?
I have heard you. I agree. I have heard you. You can go. Two of us must not go there together. Go and bring her back.
I should go and bring her back, yeah? It's okay. No problem.
Man. You don't have conscience. Your wife, a woman you paid her bride price, was in labor for 3 days. 3 good days, Udoji. You didn't care to come and see her. Even after I sent someone to you. Yet, you didn't come. I know you don't love me. I know you don't care about me. But you should have at least a little conscience. A little conscience, Udoji. A little conscience. That woman you call your wife, Iwoma. Until you die, you will never see her again. I am out of here.
Hey, wait. I hope you collected your things, eh?
Listen, if you ever dream of coming back here, just wake up immediately and apologize to me. Don't ever come back. Good riddance to bad rubbish.
I was so happy I lost out in business and relocated to the village. But I met you and everything turned around for the better. Yes. And you've made me so happy that I don't even want to go back to Onitsha.
Stop toasting me.
I want to stay back in the village and enjoy you and enjoy you and enjoy you and enjoy you.
I know, that's what love is all about.
That's because you are an angel. God made specially for me.
I'm blushing.
God measured you very well. It's not like there are some
There's
girls.
No Jara.
God sent
There's
some.
Jara.
No, you're not like
Joseph,
the carpenter. God will ask some carpenter to cut some people.
Udo, I need to talk to you, please.
I'm listening.
I know there's no way I can exonerate myself from these accusations. Because I have looked at it and I keep wondering to myself how mere words spoken in anger can just become reality. I'm even beginning to doubt myself. Because I said those words. I said those words and all of a sudden they became reality. But I just want to beg you for something, please. If everyone else believes I did it, not you. Do not you, please. Do me that favor. Believe me, I didn't do it. There is no way, there's absolutely no way I can poison Azuka in my dreams, not to talk of reality. I've been with you for over 10 years. You know me inside out. There's no way I can do such a thing. Please, if everyone else believes I did it, not you, please. Just do it for me. Don't be gone. Don't you, please. I'm begging you. Please.
Ihoma.
Sir.
What have you been thinking about?
Nothing, sir. I should be in my room, sir. Let me...
Wait. You are missing your husband, right?
No, not at all, sir. Don't mind me. Let me just clear up in the kitchen and I'll go to my room. Good night, sir.
Michael! The Holy Spirit said I should tell you that you shall never see your wife again. That she's very happy wherever she is now. All you need to do is to move on with your life. And forget everything about her. Hurry!
Didi Kamai, this time is the best. Didi Kamai, this time is the best. Ovazi will put into trouble. Ovazi will put into temptation. Ovazi will make you put hands on evil things. Ovazi will put into trouble. Ovazi will put into temptation. Ovazi will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. Cause time is the best. Didi come marry, cause time is the best.
I want to talk to you briefly. Can you sit down?
I'd rather stand, sir.
It's okay. I have observed that since you came into this house, you came in with your own atmosphere. The atmosphere of love, peace, joy, tranquility, and orderliness. And I want to be part of this atmosphere. I want you to cease from being a househelp to be a stepmother to my kids. I want to marry you.
Sir?
Yes. I want to make you forget your past, to give you a life. A life that will make you forget everything that happened in the past. I will make an arrangement that will take us out of this country to abroad, where we will live permanently. Please don't say no. Please, don't say no to me. Please.
Gana? See, I want to forget about everything that has happened in my life. And start afresh. Ihoma and everything else. I want to leave them in the past. And start a new life.
Udo, Udo. Udo, Udo. Now you are talking like my brother. So tell me, when are we going to Ifeoma's house to ask her for forgiveness and bring her back?
See that girl? Huh? That girl was a big mistake Mama pushed me into. She was a trap I foolishly fell into. I don't want to have anything to do with her again in this life.
I hear. Okay, so what exactly do you want to do now?
I am thinking of leaving this village.
To where?
We'll not be going back to Onitsha. I just want to go to a new place and start all over. I want to start afresh.
Udo, Udo.
No, one has to...
I'm happy.
One has to bounce back.
I like what you just said. I'm happy. It's okay. It's
one
okay.
Has to bounce back.
You sent for me, sir?
Yes, sit down. Mama,
Sir?
I have to open to you now. I am beginning to fall in love with you. Please, I want you to give me a chance so that I can transform your life. Please.
Chief, I think I am better off the way I am.
You are not a woman because you are a woman. Every woman needs a man because a man is the covering to the woman. Even if you don't want your people to be involved, you can go to the court and wait. I just want you to say yes to me, please. Let me transform your life.
come on, cause time is the best. Didi come on, cause time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi come on, cause time is the best. Didi come on, cause time is the best. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put into trouble. Overzeal will put into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things.
See, I saw her. She was carrying our son. If you see, the boy was looking exactly like me.
You know, sometimes your imagination makes you look stupid.
This is not about my imagination. See, I wasn't even thinking about her today.
Then why didn't you stop her?
She didn't see me. She didn't see me. I know you, woman. If she had seen me, she would have stopped.
Whose car did she enter then?
I don't know. I don't. No, wait. Are you doubting that I didn't see my wife?
No, I am not doubting it. But I only want to be sure that your imagination is not playing a fast one on you. You know, for these 3 years that I've known you, you're always talking about this woman. See my point?
It's all right. I know what to do. Where are you going?
So you want to play the fast one on us, Ekwa? Huh? You expect us to sit down and fold our hands and watch you kill your co-wife, my own wife? Hey, Igoma, you lie now. You lie. Huh? Look at you.
I'm innocent. I didn't kill her.
Keep that mouth shut. You're innocent. So why did you escape in the night?
Oh.
Mama, so you are this bad?
Oh! Now you see the kind of witch you married. Evil! Only about abomination couple.
I didn't kill her. I'm serious. I didn't kill her.
Why did you run?
No, I
was scared.
You were scared. Scared of getting to your trouble. You were scared. If I hear you call yourself that innocent again, I'm going to mark out.
If only Udoji believed me. If only we lived together to see our son grow before our eyes.
Mama, what's the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Why do you keep dwelling in the past? Or are you not happy with your present life?
Chief, each time I look at my son, he reminds me of his father. The resemblance is what bothers me. It is my problem, and it makes it difficult for me to forget.
You have to close your eyes to the resemblance. Then you will be free.
I saw her. I saw Ihoma in these eyes.
Are you sure she's the one you saw?
Yes. I saw Ihoma and she was looking so beautiful. You know, she was carrying my son. Our son is grown now. I saw her.
We have forgotten everything about her. If she is still alive, the way you are making me to believe right now, then why has she refused to come and see us? Why has she refused to come and see me, the mother, and her other siblings? Why?
It could be because of what happened. She might still be thinking that everybody still believes she killed my brother's wife.
No. Or maybe she's not even the one you saw. Why don't you just think? Think very well, please. Think, please. I don't think it's my daughter that you saw because we all believe that she's dead. We don't. Please think very well.
Could it be that my mind is playing a fast one on me? No. I am sure of who I saw. It was her. Yes, I am sure. No, it was Ihoma. It was my Ihoma that I saw.
Really?
Yes.
Hi. Oh God. Oh God.
Madam, the money at 2,000.
2,000? How can I pay 2,000 for just 3 bags of rice? I will give you 1,500 naira. Please, let's go.
Madam, you know work.
Okay, fine. I will give you 2,000 naira. Please, can we go? I don't have time.
Mama, you don't come.
Go and get them.
Jesus Christ.
So this is you.
What are you doing here?
Mama, who is this? Whoever, whatever, let's get out of here.
No, wait. Ihoma, you need to hear me out. See, the truth was finally made known. It was Mama that poisoned Azuka's food that night.
What?
Yes. She confessed before she died.
Mama is dead too.
Yes. I saw you some time ago, you know, in the one estate. I saw you and I saw you very late. Finally, with you. Mama, I've been looking for you everywhere.
Udoji, I'm sorry.
What?
It's too late.
What's late?
He's my husband.
What?
My husband. Sorry.
Mama.
Going again. Please, if you're not ready to carry me, tell me. Let me call someone else.
Madam, you're right. You find some fine.
I should find some.
Mama, let's go. I said, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Mama.
Hey.
Give me the key. I said, give me the key.
Nke ndị nwere anya. Wepụ ihe a na je gbasa akwa tụgharịkwa turn it.
I should turn it. Ọgwụkwa na nnụnụ fefe nyụọ ya nsị akpana. Mmesa mma asụ ka asụrụ akwa. Ị na-enwu gbaa.
Ọkwa efuru.
Nwa. Where you deliver?
Don't you belong with it? Ofu ife a ka ị na-achịsịtakwa.
To wash my hands in the water that they used to wash a dead body. I don't want to do it.
Mama, that is the only way you can prove your innocence. You said you're innocent.
Yes.
Just do it.
Udoji, so if everyone else doesn't believe me, you two wouldn't believe me.
Listen, I don't know what to believe anymore. My hands are tied. Just do it.
After all these years.
Mama, do it. Just do it.
Don't let anybody come into this house. You hear me? Okay, sir.
Chief is...
Please, Morgan, ask me not to open for you. Please, can you go back to where you are coming from?
Iwama! Iwama, I know you can hear me!
Calm down. Stop shouting. Do you want to shout at this building?
Iwama, see, my life has been empty without you and I cannot risk going back to that life again. I will not leave here. I will stay here until you come out to see me.
Relax, calm down. Lower your voice. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Why are you shouting?
I'm not leaving here. Go inside and tell her that I am not living here until she comes out here to see me.
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Why?
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I've always loved him and I still do. Please.
Do you want to go back to him? With your son?
Yes.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Yes, G. This is really what I want.
Well, if this is what will make you happy, you're free to go.
Chief.
Yes. I say with all my heart, you are free to go.
Chief, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright. Stop crying, stop crying.
Thank you.
Mama, I am very sorry about everything that happened. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please let us start afresh. Let us start all over again. I'm very sorry.
I can see that both of you love each other. And there's nothing anyone can do to break that bond of relationship between you. To show that I love you, I want you to go and look for any good business of your choice and calculate whatever it will take. I'm going to sponsor it to enable you take care of your family.
Chief, thank you very much.
It is well. It is well.
Thank you very much, sir. I can't believe this. Thank you.
Whose time is the best? Did he come mine? Whose time is the best? Overseas will put into trouble. Overzeal will put you into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put you into trouble. Overzeal will put you into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. It will make you put hands on evil things without you knowing the consequences. Didi come marry, cause time is the best. Didi come marry, cause time is the best. Overzeal will put you into trouble. Overzeal will put you into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. Overzeal will put you into trouble. Overzeal will put you into temptation. Overzeal will make you put hands on evil things. It will make you